Ooh, what is that?
Which sled do you want?
I'm not sure which one is good.
Maybe just take the pink one.
Nice.
You don't like pink?
I'm okay. I just want something performing.
Yeah, my mom cleaned it for you, so you can
Nice. Let me see the options.
The other ones are a little bit dirty. You have everything you need?
I bring this with me. Shoes cover. Show me your outfit. It's waterproof.
Shoes cover and
Which one are you taking?
Oh, I wouldn't take that.
No, why?
You're gonna stand up and go down a hill?
It's not gonna work?
Take them both.
Yeah, take both.
I think you're gonna kill yourself.
Take the other one, Alyssa.
I don't want the other one.
Sure, did you try this one before?
Yeah.
It's small, no? It's like snowboarding. You can't sit there. Oh, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Don't do it here. Ooh, looks, yeah, that's nice. Come with us. Just, why not? So cold. Not yet. Alyssa, wait! Look at her. Yeah, it's there. I think you can start from here.
Go ahead, go in, sit down.
Hello, Nomadic. This is new episode from Philadelphia. It's sledding time, right? Okay, you go first. You can go. There's this one. Ooh.
You sit here, but you have to hold on to this.
How? I never tried this.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Put your feet forward.
Woo! Okay.
Go!
Oh my god. Go, Alyssa, go. Yeah. Bravo. Go, 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 go. Yeah, look, there are many people here. Mostly parents with their kids. And I didn't know that Alyssa loves sledding. She didn't tell me that. Okay. Go, go. Look at her. Bravo. Woo! I think this is the best place for sledding. How was it? It looks you love it, right? Okay, we'll try again now. Go, Alyssa. Nice. Oh, be careful! Ooh.
Watch out, coach! Oh my god!
Wow.
Oh, he's gonna take him out!
Well done!
Good job, Big! Oh, was that a fun ride?
Ooh.
Is that the best one?
Wow. Good job, Alyssa. Go, Alyssa! Go, 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 go! Woo! Are you surfing? You didn't tell me that you are good on this. Oh, bravo! You tired?
Okay, you try this one.
Okay, let's try that one. Oh my! It's my time. Tell me the secret. How did you learn this?
You just do it when you're a kid.
When you were a kid? Okay.
You gonna go again?
Yeah, everyone said
Where's
that
your
you're...
Reese's in your sled?
Yeah, it was in my pocket. Woo! She's really good. Bravo! Where's Alyssa? How did you fall?
So it's standing up.
Okay, you're the winner this time. I win in the Sahara, you win in the snow. I can't anymore. Are we walking back? Yeah? That was a nice experience. First sledding during the snowstorm in Philadelphia. And Alyssa, she was hiding her skills. Why you didn't tell me you are good on that?
Most people are. That's
Most? No, you're the best there.
I'm the only adult that's doing it.
When was the last time you did it?
I don't know, a long time ago.
A few years ago? More people coming. That was fun. Good. Oh, it's warm inside. It's nice to be in the snow, but it's nice.